A love story in the spice island of Grenada. Once upon a time, in the spice-filled island of Grenada, there lived a young man named Jamal. Jamal was a skilled spice farmer, known for his aromatic nutmeg and mace crops. During the Nutmeg Festival, blending their passions for spices and cooking, creating a harmonious partnership celebrated by their community. Across the island, in the bustling market of St. George, lived a beautiful young woman named Leila. Leila was a talented chef, and her dishes, infused with the local spices, were loved by all. Their paths crossed during the annual Nutmeg Festival, a celebration of Grenada's most famous spice. Jamal was showcasing his finest nutmeg and mace, while Leila was preparing dishes using the local spices. Their eyes met over the vibrant market stalls, and it was as if time stood still. It was love at first sight. After the festival, Jamal approached Leila. He was smitten by her charm and asked if she would use his spices in her dishes. Leila, equally enchanted by Jamal's passion for his crops, agreed. In the days that followed, Jamal dedicated himself to growing the best spices for Leila, while Leila created new recipes using Jamal's spices. They worked together, their love for each other growing with each passing day. The day of the next Nutmeg Festival arrived. Leila presented her dishes to the villagers, each one a masterpiece created with Jamal's spices. Their collaboration was a beautiful blend of farming and cooking, a symbol of their harmonious love. The villagers cheered and clapped, and from that day forward, their love story became a part of the island's folklore, a testament to the passionate and vibrant culture of Grenada.